Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about window shortcut key. There are some of the window taskbar shortcut key that you actually don't know, and in this video I will show you some of them without any stress in a simple manner. So let's get started. For instance, I have everything in my taskbar right here. Instead of me moving my mouse around from different icons in the taskbar, we can as well make use of shortcut key that will make our productivity more perfect and improve. Now, for instance, the first shortcut key I want to give you right here is that if you press Window plus T, so this will allow you to navigate around different icons on your taskbar. You press Window plus T, it moves to different icons as you have them in your taskbar, just like so. You continue to press Window plus T, you have all these things right here that is going to appear in your taskbar. This is one of the first shortcut key I want to give you as far as taskbar shortcut key is concerned in your Windows PC. Just like so. Now, let's say, for instance, you want to quickly move to a particular app or window in your taskbar instead of using your mouse. So you can easily press Window plus number. So, for instance, I have 1, 2, 3 right here. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to open my File Explorer. So I will just press Window plus 2. So once I press Window plus 2, File Explorer is going to automatically pump up, just like what you see right here. Now, when you see, I'm going to close the tab again, then another thing here is that if you press Window plus 3, this simply means that my Microsoft Store is going to load up. So Window plus 3, and then you find out you can see instantly my Microsoft Store pumping up right here on the screen right here. So this is the second shortcut key I have for you as far as taskbar is concerned. You can use this as your productivity improve in daily basis. Okay, let's take a look at the third shortcut key I have for you as far as taskbar shortcut key is concerned in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So what I need to do right here is to press Ctrl plus Shift and then click on the app. So just like so, you can see, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your devices so you can run the app as an administrator without any stress? So this is the third one I have for you as far as shortcut key in only taskbar in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 is concerned. Let's take a look at the very last one I have for you as far as shortcut key in your taskbar on Windows PC is concerned. Like for instance, this particular app right here, to open a new instance on the app, so what you need to do is to simply press Shift key on your app, on your keyboard, and click on the app. It's going to, so just like so, you can see the app is being loaded up right here without any stress. It's that simple. These are some of the shortcut key that you need to know about your taskbar on your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.